Alright guys, well the fact that you actually clicked on the thumbnail means that it might be something you're interested in. You have to excuse the noise, it is actually starting to team down to rain outside, so hopefully you can't hear it or it's not disturbing you too much. But anyway, so this is going to be a little bit different from my usual videos, but I just really, I want your opinion in the comments if you don't mind. If this is something you might be interested in seeing me do. What is this, you may be asking? Well, in my spare time, I do metal detecting as a hobby, and this is a dagger that I found in a field that is quite close to where I live. So it's quite close to me. This is a World War II British Commando dagger. The actual name of it is a Fairbanks Sykes fighting knife. So I don't know if you guys have heard of that. Obviously, it's in bad condition because it's been underground or in the ground for God knows how long. I think this was produced around about 1941, 42, that sort of time. But this is my question to you guys: is would this be something interesting? You'll be interested in me making a video in restoring this knife. Now, as you can see, the handle's gone. It's been in some sort of fire, so I'm not going to be able to restore that at all. But what I can do is restore the metal, the blade, sharpen it all up, get it all back to nice and shiny, including this bit here. But what I would like to do is put a nice oak handle on this. When I say put one on it, I mean make one. Make one out of oak, carve it all out, get it all sanded down. Now I know it's not going to be authentic in that respect, but I think it'll make a nice display piece. Something that can sit on the wall or sit in a case or something like that, and I think it'll be quite nice. But let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, if you don't mind, because I don't want to do it and no one wants to watch it. If you are interested in metal detecting, then I'm quite happy to take you guys out on a day out with me, and you can see what I find. I not always find things, but a lot of the time you do. Most of it's coins, a lot of World War II shrapnel in the ground. You can see what's actually coming out of the ground as it happens. So if that is something you might find entertaining, I certainly do, but not everyone thinks the same. So just let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see, and I can do that for you as well. If you've got any suggestions in these videos or anything about this knife that you want me to do, or want to try something different, or suggestions with the metal detecting side of things, again, let me know in the comments and we'll make it happen, alright? So listen, thanks for listening to me ranting on about this, guys. I do appreciate it, and I look forward to your responses in the comments area, yeah? See you soon. Cheers.